Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp video call not working in 2021, basically on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can also subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, you can let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I really want to know. So what you want to do is go over to your settings on WhatsApp, and the first thing you would want to do is go to the settings of your phone. Sorry, and here you want to make sure that you have camera access on. So you want to go down until you find WhatsApp. It should be somewhere around here. WhatsApp, here it is. You want to click on it. You want to make sure camera and microphone is actually on, just like this. This is very important because if you do not have give permission to WhatsApp to use your camera, you wouldn't be able to have video calls on WhatsApp. This is the first thing you want to do. If this doesn't help, there's two more ways actually that you can do, or two more fixes. The first is going over to your general tab, clicking on iPhone storage, and just clearing the WhatsApp cache, offloading the app. So you want to type in WhatsApp at the top, WhatsApp, here it is. You want to offload the app and then reinstall it. This helped a lot of people when I checked online. And another thing you can do is actually go over to the App Store, and you want to make sure you have the recent, the latest update of WhatsApp. So you want to type in WhatsApp, and you want to make sure you have the most recent update. So you have an update option, you would want to update WhatsApp here. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.